our ladies back up as well, and share with you more beauty of the hula, the art of Hawaiian dance. So I've been teaching a good 40 plus years, and we'll share with you a song that my late Kumu Lupani, he loved this particular lei known as the ʻIliahi, or the sandalwood lei. And there was a time when we were just abundant with ʻIliahi, sandalwood trees, but we did a lot of trading back in the old days, and we didn't have too many after all. But now with all the repatriation of all these beautiful plant and conservation, the ʻIliahi is coming back, that's for sure. We'll share with you the song, Pua ʻIliahi, a song that's dedicated to the beauty of that scent known as the sandalwood tree. This is the flower, or the sandalwood flower song, very popular among many of our schools of Hula. He aloha no, he aloha, kaliko pua ʻIliahi, please my ho'i o e te aloha, oi ai ana ua meha. He aloha no, he aloha, kaliko pua ʻIliahi, please my ho'i o e te aloha, oi ai ana ua meha. Ano ai male ke I ke aku, ka malulu o ka wehi wehi, ke kai hone hone nei tupu poli, ke hone nei tupu poli. Ano ai male ke I ke aku, ka malulu o ka wehi wehi, ke kai hone hone nei tupu poli, ke hone nei tupu poli. Pea, pea ka ua e ka loa, ka ano I a ke aloha, ka maile la huli poli poli tabaho, ka hanu a ala o kuʻuipo. Pehea ka ua e ka hoa, ka ano I a ke aloha, ka male lau lipo lipo I tabao, ka hanu a ala o kuʻuipo. Haina, haina mai tapuana, no two drops ke aloha, I nā hou ka puana. He aloha no, he aloha. Haina mai tapuana, no dewdrops ke aloha, ina hou tapuana. He aloha no, he aloha. Oh, the sandalwood song. Pua ʻIliahi.